Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. We are taking a really quick look at Verasity here, and as we can see, looking like we are still having a little bit of downside as we continue to correct from this big push that we did see over the past few months to the upside. You can see over the past few weeks that Verasity has been essentially having a pretty decent correction here. You can see someone sold a huge bag of it here and wicked the price action all the way down to this swing low here, but pretty much got bought straight back up. I don't know if this was a coordinated attempt to get in at a better price for someone and get a quick little trade in, manipulate the market, etc. But from what I can tell here, it looks as though Verasity is still heading down into this previous area of support, looking for a bit of a bounce in this area. Obviously, we did have that bearish divergence I talked about for such a long time over the past month or so, and you can see it's finally starting to play out. Huge parabolic move, coil, and then the overextension with the bearish divergence. We came up to the 1 cent level, we got stuck there at that psychological level, and now looking like we are retracing back down into this previous area of structure here, as you can very clearly see on the charts right now. Currently sitting on top of still that previous area of resistance here as support, but right now looking like, you know, the volume has been dropping off a little bit ever since this big push as well. Just kind of cooling off, waiting to see what happens next for Verasity. And really, just like Bitcoin, it is really mimicking the wider market. A lot of people think a lot of things are mimicking Bitcoin right now, and if we do see Bitcoin move in either direction, we'll probably see Verasity do the same thing. So again, really not much to say today. Going to keep things really short and sweet. As you can see, still just coiling up underneath this resistance, but also sitting on support as well. So really, we're waiting for that decision time. Are we going to come back above above this level here and continue upwards back to this swing high that we're currently, you know, basically need to see being hit again for some more upside, that local swing high here, or are we going to reject here and come down to the 023 towards the bottom of this previous area of support here, which is also fairly likely considering what we're seeing here. I mean, there's always the potential as well of forming, you know, that dreaded head and shoulders pattern where we could come all the way back down into this area here. I still think this would be fine because obviously we've broken out of that bear market resistance now for Verasity like this, and really we are just waiting essentially for anything above this. In my opinion, is still fine. You can see obviously you've got your coming up like this, higher high, and then if we had a higher low and then another higher high like this overall, that would be fine, wouldn't it? But right now, just consolidating, retracing, waiting to see what happens next. As I said before, I'm trading this with, I'm scaling into a long position. I've been filled here, and then I have got a bigger position down here as well. To scale in with an average entry probably would be around here if I did get filled on this one. So really just waiting to see what happens next with Verasity and the wider market. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. As always, please do like and subscribe, and if you do want to support the channel, please do consider becoming a member to the YouTube membership by clicking the join button down below. You'll get access to the private Discord where I'm hanging out most days with other investors. So if you do want to support the channel, that would be a good way to do so, and I'll see you in the next video.